thing is stuffed with all kinds of debris, you know, oily dirt. So we'll get rid of that. Clean this tank. This will be a hydraulic tank, hydraulic oil tank.
So if you have not seen the first and second part of this Bobcat fix, I will leave a link on top of the screen on your right. Be sure to go and check it out. First and second part. This is third part, and there will be a fourth, maybe even a fifth.
Look at that. That's disgusting. Completely stuffed. I don't know where it was breathing from, but we're gonna clean that out. Well, it's better than it was. This is not the original cap. I'm gonna have to find one. But in the meantime, it'll do. You know, this thing, you see this? Yeah. This thing's a miracle tool. I'll just go in there and it flakes off. So it doesn't have to be like a brush or anything like that. I've just completely cleaned it out. And then I rinse it and bingo, done. Huh. Beautiful. So you see this thing? Yeah, those are the filters. So I think we're gonna see, if I had to guess, I'd guess they are filthy. So let's see if we can get those out, open them up and clean them. If not, we gotta replace them. So I pulled off that hydraulic oil filter. And from what I can see, it's cleanable, so that's good news. See, there is junk in it. Look at that. Can you see that inside? Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Okay, so. Yeah, and I can feel it too. Holy Jesus. I can feel it all over this. Okay. Well, then it's a good thing we took it off. So I'm feeling a whole lot better about that. Let's see about this. It's like it's almost like a pneumatic muffler, you know? These little sort of copper balls glued together. Let air through it. So I don't know what the point of this spring is, really. You getting this? Look at that. I don't even know why. I don't get it. I forget how. Did it go in this way or did it go in this way? Jesus. Let me see what's on the other side. Okay, we're gonna have to go in the book and see how that was. I have to be more observant. Okay, that's it. That's how it goes. Okay, so we're gonna prepare the side here. I'm gonna paint it till about right up here because I'm going to keep the bottom end not painted for now because I have some work to do in the front, so I'm just going to come back and finish it off. But from, let's say, right about here or so, we're gonna get this ready. So I'm gonna protect this cylinder because now it's nice and clean. Protect the cylinder, protect this area here. Get rid of these straps here that hold the cab. I'm gonna have to grab it somewhere else. And then fix this pitting. It's horrible. Okay, so now we're protected. I'm gonna do a bit of body work on this. Get back to you with the paint job. Okay, we got her softened up. We're gonna shoot some paint on this baby. My ultra cheap paint gun, the Princess Auto. Sounds like a vacuum cleaner. So, have a first look. First very thin coat. Coat number 2. We're gonna wait till it's tacky, give it a third coat. I think that should do it. Okay, so I want to show you guys, I'm going to print some graphics for the Bobcat. And I've made my own, really, you know. These are not original. I could have, but I just wanted to give it a more modern look to it. So I made my own graphics. And we're going to cut them out with the vinyl cutter. So I went to the I went in the internet, got all of these little Bobcats and everything, fit them to size on my paper, and we're gonna put them in the vinyl cutter. Watch. So I got my orange vinyl. Got to be very careful because I got 3 feet of this, and this is by 12 inches. So I'm going to program this guy here. Okay. Okay, I'm all set up. Let me just get this guy going here. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Here. You ready? Here we go. That's it. Let's see what that gave.